Good morning class. I R K Kanogia is going to teach you subject computer science chapter Boolean algebra. Proposition. A proposition is an elementary atomic sentence that may either be true or false but may not take other values. Means a statement which consists of which answer is either true or false is a proposition. For example, India won the ICC World Cup 2011. Wind is blowing. There are two types of proposition: simple proposition and compound proposition. Simple proposition is the one that does not contain any other proposition as a part. Means all the single statement said to be simple proposition. For example, it is raining, wind is blowing, tomorrow is holiday. All are consist of single statement. Compound proposition. A compound proposition is the one with two or more statement. For example, it is raining and wind is blowing. Here two statement. If you work hard, then you will get 90 and above. It also consists of two statement. Operator. An operator joins simple proposition into compound and joins compound into larger compound. Means it joins two or more statement into a single. There are 5 types of operator. Disjunctive means or, conjunctive means and, negation means not, conditional means implication, and biconditional is equivalence. Disjunctive. It is also known as or operator, represented by a symbol plus. Let's consider two statement. It is raining, wind is blowing. A or B, its meaning is it is raining or wind is blowing. Into table, A and B are two columns having value 0, 0. Here 0 means false and 1 means true. So all the possibilities here, when consider A plus B means A or B, output is 1 when A input is 1. And when contain both input is 0, then output is 0. Conjunctive, it is also known as and, represented by a symbol dot. In A and B, its output is 1 only when both input is 1. Any input is 0, then output will be 0. Negation, it is also known as not, represented by a symbol dash or bar. It is an operator that affects a single statement and does not apply on two or more statement. Means it applies on single statement. For example, A, it is raining, so A naught will be it is not raining. It turns 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. Conditional, it is also known as if then or implication. Different symbol can be represented. An expression A implements B is equal to A naught plus B. In the conditional, A implements B. The first proposition A is called antecedent and second proposition B is called consequent. Into table, A and B are two values. A, first column, having value 0, 0, 1, 1. B with 0, 1, 0, 1. A naught is opposite of A. 0, 0, 1, 1 now turns to 1, 1, 0, 0. And then plus operator between A naught and B. So plus means anyone is 1, output will be 1. So first column, here it is 1, so output is 1. Both input is 1, then also treated as 1. When both input is 0, then output is 0. Here 1, 0, so output is 1. And as you know, it is equivalent to equivalence implement. So in implement you can directly say 1 to 0 output is 0, because they are saying 1 to 0 output is 0, and any other combination output will be 1. Here it is rule for this: 1 to 0 is 0, rest all combination output is 1. Biconditional. It is also known as if and only if or equivalence. It is represented by double side arrow. Its equation is A equivalence B is A naught dot B naught plus A dot B. Let's find out all the values. A naught opposite of A, B naught opposite of B, A naught dot B naught, dot operator between A and B. So here's dot operator between A naught and B naught. So as you know, and when both inputs is 1, then output is 1. If any one is 0 or both are 0, output will be 0. Then find out A dot B. A is the first column here, B is second. Now dot operator between 2. So when 0 0, output will be 0. When 0 1 or 1 0, also output will be 0. When both input is 1 here, then output is 1. Now applies plus operator between two column. In plus, any one is 1, output is 1. So here 1 0, output will be 1. 0 0, both input is 0, so output will be 0. 0 1, output will be 1. And it is equivalent to equivalence. So when in equivalence both input is same, then output is 1. If opposite input, output will be 0. Using to table, prove it the following: P Q is equal to Q naught implement P naught. So first column P and Q, put all the values 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here implement between P to Q. As you know, implement rule: 1 to 0 output is 0, and all the other combination output is 1. For RHS, Q naught and P naught, so first find out Q naught opposite of Q and P naught opposite of P. And as per rule, implement 1 to 0 output is 0, rest all the combination output is 1. And you can see LHS column and RHS column both are identical. Both input 1 1 0 1, and here RHS 1 1 0 1. Hence proved. In second proving, P equivalence to Q is equal to P implements Q dot Q implement P. Again start with two column P and Q with field values 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. For LHS equivalence, as per equivalence rule, same input output is 1. 0 0 and 1 1, output is 1. Opposite input output will be 0. For RHS, first column P implements Q. In implement rule, 1 to 0 output is 0, and other combination output is 1. In second column, Q implements P. So Q is first, so 1 to 0, this combination output is 0, and other combination output is 1. Now dot operator between two column. For RHS, P implements Q, dot Q implements P. So dot operator, as no, in dot operator, when both input is 1, output is 1, and any one is 0, output will be 0. So it is RHS. And here you can see LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Here's some problem. It is assignment for you, class. Please note down. We will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.